In this video, I will tell you how to increase your Cash App limit. So first what you need to do is open the Cash App on your phone. Next, try to send more than $250. You can also tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and tap limits. If your account is not verified yet, Cash App will automatically ask you to verify it. Then enter your verification details. You need to type in your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After that, you can link a debit card to your bank account. This step is optional, but it is recommended because it can help support higher limits and make your account look more credible. Now submit the verification request. In most cases, Cash App approves it within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take 24 to 48 hours. Once your account is verified, check your new limits. Your sending limit will increase to $7,500 per week, and your receiving limit will become unlimited. You may also unlock Bitcoin and direct deposit features if your account is eligible. If you still need even higher limits, go back to your profile, tap support, then choose chat to contact Cash App support directly. Be ready to provide extra documents like a photo of your driver's license or proof of address. That's how you increase your Cash App limit. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.